much that population in Nigeria huge. I mean, it's huge.
Like bragging to all my uncles, guess what? Jake finally asked for rubbers, and I was like, oh my god, I go, for rubbers in college, you don't do that much.
Yeah, so then I just stuck it in her butt.
Hey, Don, you want this skull, baby? Hey, Rachel? Bitch? Fuck you! Hey, Donald? Bitch? What are you reading? Hey, Don, you want that skull, baby? Hey, Don, you want that skull, baby? Hey, Don, you want that skull, baby? Skull, baby? Skull, baby? You want that skull, baby? You want a fat lip of this skull, bitch? And then I'm gonna say, hey, Don, you want this skull, baby? Fuck how your day was, you little bat. Don, I don't even want to be talking to you right now, you fat piece of shit.
I think I got a little queasy from it. I'm not sure.
I got more than queasy. I got drunk off the...
Oh, yeah, just hanging out in my basement.
Jerking it to hipster chick.